Okay, we're now here at the fish farm. We'll see fish feeding, okay? You see me in Vietnam. In the Mekong, I was there in Vietnam. Mekong Delta, but yeah, this fish spits water. Bad fish.
Binidyo mo, Mike?
Yep,
Ang galing ah.
bad fish. We will eat your fish. Nice.
Archer fish.
Archer. Green archer fish.
Yeah, this is not safe in the net.
Galing ano?
Yeah, this from outside. Now you can see here. This one from here, this free area. This is from jungle. Because I not safe in
Accurate
the net.
ano?
That's what they call archer fish.
Galing ah.
This one is the hunter, hunter fish. So the look insect from jungle. This fish.
Wait, they hunt insects?
Yeah,
So they also hunter fish around
yeah.
them. Okay. So open water show.
Hunter fish.
Lower they can jump.
You're not jumping.
The one target.
Nahiya pa.
Hunter fish.
You're shy.
Okay.
So this fish farm is among the karst limestone formations of the Marine Geopark, which is again UNESCO World Geopark. Now signing out.